the moon is moving away from Earth. Did you know that the moon, the glowing companion that lights up our nights, is slowly drifting away from Earth? It's not something you can notice with the naked eye, but it's happening. And it's happening right now. Every year, the moon edges away from our planet by about 3.8 centimeters, less than the length of a paperclip, but it adds up over time. This subtle movement might seem insignificant at first, but the reality is, it's a slow, gradual process that has been taking place for billions of years. Imagine, millions of years ago, when the moon was much closer to Earth. It's thought that the moon was once so close that it would have appeared vastly larger in the sky. But as the ages passed, the pull of gravity between Earth and the moon began to slowly change the moon's orbit. This shift is due to a fascinating phenomenon called tidal friction. The gravitational tug-of-war between Earth's oceans and the moon causes the Earth to lose a tiny bit of rotational energy. In turn, this energy is transferred to the moon, pushing it farther away, while Earth's day slowly grows longer. It's a dance, a celestial balancing act that has been unfolding since the very beginning. Now, while 3.8 centimeters a year doesn't sound like much, over millions of years, it means the moon has moved significantly farther away. In fact, scientists believe that when Earth and the moon first formed, the moon was only about 20,000 kilometers away. Today, it's about 384,400 kilometers from Earth. Over time, this distance will continue to increase, but it will take billions of years before the moon reaches a point where it can no longer affect our tides in the same way it does now. What does this mean for us? Well, the moon is an essential part of life on Earth, influencing everything from ocean tides to stabilizing our planet's axial tilt. Without the moon, life as we know it would look very different. But don't worry, there's no immediate danger. The moon's journey away from Earth is an incredibly slow process, and it will take millions of years for any real effects to be noticed. It's a reminder of how even the most familiar things, like the moon in our night sky, are constantly changing. And although we might not always see it, the universe is in a constant state of motion, shifting and evolving in ways we're only just beginning to understand. To help the channel grow, remember to like, share, and subscribe.